On October 22, 1910, a murderer named Hawley Crippen became the first person captured via the help of radio to be convicted of a crime. A sort of quack doctor, Crippen worked in homeopathic medicine in the U.S., but was not allowed to practice medicine in England when he moved to London. Authorities in Canada were alerted via radio that the fugitive was on board an ocean liner, and Crippen was arrested on arrival in Canada, the first known instance of an arrest facilitated by radio. Other notable crime-fighting firsts include the first use of fingerprints to gain a conviction that may have been used against murderer Thomas Jennings in 1910 in Chicago, or Argentine murderess Francisco Rojas in 1892. In 1986, the first use of DNA to solve a crime occurred in England when murderer Colin Pitchfork was convicted of murder on DNA evidence. As a question for my students and subscribers, have you ever been fingerprinted? Please let us know in the comments section for this video.